It's race day. We're at Red Hill. What'd you say, Jackson?
I said, it's race day.
And?
Yeah.
What else?
I don't know.
Oh, you silly. It's race day. I think, what, there's like 5 of us here? 6? 6 cars checked in, I think.
We got Scout here.
Yep, we got Scout here.
Yep.
So, we'll see how tonight goes. D starts outside pole, I think. We're going to hot lap in just a minute, and then stay tuned to the end of the video. We'll give you guys an update for our next weekend plans. recap. Start the pole.
Finish the pole.
Finish the pole. And we finished by the pole. Pretty good. Kind of left the pack a little bit. So they're working on something over there. Not really sure.
Good.
Did you feel good?
Yeah, it felt pretty good. A little slick, like track was slick, so sliding a little bit, but
That's all right.
after getting beat by Matt Mackey on that one race, I never let off. I didn't know if I had a small gap or a big gap, but we was wide open. So.
And it doesn't matter if I was telling him or not, he wouldn't have looked at me, so he never does.
So we're gonna do the same thing for the future. So
yeah, we're gonna go out there. We're just gonna keep her wide, and then, like we said earlier, stay tuned. We got some news.
Well, I don't know. I'd like to. You guys, do you have anybody video you?
No, my mom's up at the tower.
Oh yeah.
It's all about the young racers. This kid races. He races a Hornet, and he's out there. And the last 2 times we have raced with him, he has done so good. When they throw the flag at him, he does exactly what he's supposed to do. And I'm just so proud of him. I don't know his name, but I am so proud of him.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Love you.
Love you. Let's make it happen. Hey, Jackson.
Love you. Got it.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's go, Dad. All right, here we go. Feature time. the feature race, we go out there. 3 in a row.
Really mine.
Donald got second, so our second week in a row of 1 and 2. So that's really exciting. I mean, kind of ran away with it.
We're good here, man. It's
Yeah,
our favorite track.
we've got
We're
it
smooth,
dialed.
fast.
Yeah, we've got this car dialed.
Almost hold on the floor.
Yeah.
Good talking
So-
about Mackie, so that's cool.
Yeah, yep. Good talk with him. So with that being said, we're going into the weekend. It's been kind of wishy-washy about, like, you guys kind of know that we've been getting ready for Kokomo. The big 100,000 to win. We weren't sure who was driving. Up in the air. And then last week, we got the word from Travis.
Travis had a horrible week.
Yes.
He just
He needs to just,
chill
yes.
for a little bit, he said.
And so you're looking at your
The 19.
The
car will
19
be going as a 111
is
to Kokomo.
yes to Kokomo for 100,000 to win.
Super
And
nervous about that,
but we are pumped.
honestly pumped and super grateful for the opportunity from Fleming.
Yes,
couldn't do it.
we could have never went to a race like that without them. This is huge for us. It's huge for our sponsors.
Thanks to Dad for watching the kiddo that
Yes,
weekend.
yeah, he's on.
That's really gonna cost him.
Here you go.
Yeah, I won.
Yep, he's on Jackson duty, so we're gonna head up there Friday morning, get everything ready. But yeah, that's our news. We're racing for 100,000, and I'm pumped about it.
Thank everybody.
So, big thanks to our sponsors, Eaton Clinic, obviously Fleming's,
Bowl
Andrew and
Lanes.
Tori Trout, New Bowl Lanes, Red Hill Leather, Hot Mess Express Media. We couldn't
Splash
do
Vinyl.
Splash
Maybe I forgot
Vinyl.
the name of the Victory Lane speech, sorry.
couldn't do it without you guys.
Big Dad, family.
yes.
all you guys.
Got here for
Yes.
sponsoring some of my parts.
Yes.
Off my
Actually,
car.
For
yes,
Kokomo,
Dad
yes,
had
we've
to
had
loan
to.
a lot of parts to me to make this car legal for Kokomo, just because I gotta have the stock appearing stuff. So
Yep.
couldn't do it without him
I
either.
wouldn't done it any other way though.
Yeah. So
All right,
we're
see you guys
Kokomo
tomorrow.
bound, guys.
Yep.
We'll catch you guys.
Next one probably, I don't
It
know.
will be filming all week long.
Yeah, we'll be a Kokomo video. I don't know if it'll be the next one.
Yeah.
We'll look on-
Like,
I'll look
comment,
out for that.
subscribe, so that way you can keep up
And share.
and check out
Yeah. You
the
want to get in, Bubba?
Kokomo. Let's get it. Say bye.